This is my surfing session number 13 on the new surfboard. It's a cold day today. It's February mid-afternoon and the temperature of the air is 20 degrees Fahrenheit. The water temperature is 39 degrees Fahrenheit. Magic Seaweed forecasted 4 feet waves today and gave today 2 stars. Today I wanted to focus on my pop-up. I'm trying to learn how to do a chicken wing pop-up where I bring my back foot forward first and put it in position on the back of the board. Then I swing my front foot forward for the second part of the pop-up. It's good for beginners because this helps keep the board steady by always having 3 points of balance on the surfboard. My 2 hands press down on the front side of the board to keep it going forwards, while the back foot gives me my 3rd point of balance. The back foot down also allows me to lift my body and give myself enough space between my body and the board to swing my front leg over. I will try to position the back foot while I still have my belly on the board next time. It looks like the way I'm doing it here in this video, my left knee is touching the board, so I want to try to avoid that. It's not as fast as the standard pop-up, but it helps allow me to stand up on the surfboard and practice my balance and practice a few turns as well. I'm still a beginner, so I'm still learning. My goal is to try to catch as many waves as possible. As a beginner, I don't think I have enough strength yet to do the standard pop-up. When I try to do the standard pop-up, I find that my knees hit the board first, and I end up having to balance on my knees first before I position both of my feet, which ends up taking a lot longer. I'll keep practicing the standard pop-up at home on a yoga mat, so hopefully I can eventually try to learn that move as well. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. This is part of my surfing session series where I'm trying to show my progression as a beginner surfer. I've also got other videos on my YouTube channel, some action videos that you might enjoy. Please click them. I'd love to hear any tips or comments from you guys in the comments section below. Thanks.